Hey, what is up guys, welcome to this video, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free chess apps for your iPhone. So if you are looking for the same, then watch this video till the end. First one is Chess Prime 3D. In this you can select that with whom you want to play, like you versus computer, you versus other, or someone from the internet. Also you can check out the puzzles. You can choose the difficulty level. The chessboard is good, and here is the timer. In settings, you can manage the sound, rotate the board, and so on. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second one is Chess by Vintolo. This is also good. You can select the player along with the time limit. In this, it will show the possible moves for both players. You can change the board layout. Also, you will get some free puzzles here. You can buy hints and manage the sound. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is Chess. Simple to take in use. It also shows the possible moves and you will get a 30 minutes timer. Also you can reset it. Here you can change the background. If you have any doubts, you can go through the tutorials. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth one is Play Magnus. Here you will get some popular players to play with their logics. You will surely learn new things here. Here you can train yourself, but only few lessons are free. Even some players are also behind the paywall. In settings, you can select the language, manage the sound effects, legal moves, and so on. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Chess Plus. You can select the player. Possible moves are also here. You can flip the board, take hints, and undo the move. In options, you can change the sound, move clock, and think time. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.